Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Calendar to Claude AI in 2026. Now, in order to basically connect your Google Calendar with Claude AI, you first of all need to come here on Claude.ai. Now, over here, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you log in into your account, click on the option of customize here in the left hand side. Afterwards, click on the option of connect your apps. Now, when you do this, you are going to see all of the applications that you can basically integrate or connect with Claude AI. Now, since we want to connect our Google Calendar with it, you just have to simply search for Google Calendar here. And as you can see, this is the third most popular applications available here in Claude AI extensions section. So simply click on the option of this plus icon right next to it. Then it is going to redirect you on your Google account where you need to select your email address, then simply press continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you just have to allow all of these permissions and these events. Then you will be redirected here inside Claude AI with this prompt that would say connected to Google Calendar. Now over here, if you just come back here on the home page, you will see that we have from calendar available. Now you need to select your calendar and then you just have to simply type your prompt and then it is going to provide you the responses based on your schedule. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.